Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka. Let's start with today's bulletin. Beam 3.0 launched with new features to enhance digital payments. OpenAI unveils GPT-4o with enhanced image generation. Facebook and Instagram faces global outage. Users report login issues. Google Gemini AI set to revolutionize phone screens and camera views. Apple to introduce lossless audio support for AirPods Max. Dell's workforce shrinks by 10% in fiscal year 2025. TRAI chief calls for growth in India's subsea cable infrastructure. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of Wi-Fi, and the answer is wireless fidelity. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who is the founder of Airtel? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. The National Payment Corporation of India has launched BHIM 3.0, the latest version of Unified Payments Interface app, introducing several new features aimed at improving user experience and financial management. The update includes bill splitting options, expense tracking, and enhanced payment methods, making digital transactions more convenient. BHIM 3.0 now supports over 15 Indian languages and is optimized to function smoothly even on slow internet connections. The app also integrates better security measures to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions. With these upgrades, NPCI aims to promote digital payments in rural and urban areas, ensuring financial inclusion for all. The phased rollout of BHIM 3.0 has already begun, with full availability expected by April 2025. Industry experts have welcomed the move, citing it as a significant step towards strengthening India's digital payment ecosystem and increasing UPI adoption. NPCI expects the new feature to boost user engagement and transaction volumes. Let's start with Now, OpenAI has introduced GPT-4o, an upgraded version of its AI model featuring enhanced image generation capabilities. With this update, OpenAI is phasing out DALL-E 3, its previous image generation model. The GPT-4o is designed to create more realistic and detailed images while maintaining faster processing speeds. The move signals OpenAI's shift towards an all-in-one AI model that combines text, image, and potential video generation. Experts believe this integration will streamline AI applications, making it easier for developers and content creators to generate high-quality visuals. OpenAI has also hinted at new ethical safeguards to prevent misuse, addressing concerns about deepfakes and AI-generated misinformation. While the transition from DALL-E 3 raises questions about continuity for existing users, OpenAI assures a smoother migration process. This latest development reinforces OpenAI's dominance in the AI space as companies race to refine generative AI tools for creative and commercial applications. Now, social media giants Facebook and Instagram experienced a major outage affecting users across India, the US, and the UK. Many reported being unable to log in or refresh feeds. Meta, the parent company, acknowledged the issue, stating that they were working to resolve it. Down Detector, a website that tracks online service disruption, saw a spike in outage reports for both platforms. While WhatsApp and Threads remained functional, the sudden downtime led to widespread frustrations and speculation about possible cyber attacks. However, Meta assured users that the outage was due to technical glitch and not a security breach. Within hours, services were gradually restored. The incident highlights heavy reliance on social media platforms for communication and business operations, sparking controversy about digital dependency and the need for alternative solutions. Users have urged Meta to improve platform stability and transparency regarding such disruptions. Now, Google's latest AI innovation, Gemini, is poised to transform the way users interact with their smartphones. Dubbed Project Astra, this advanced AI model is designed to integrate seamlessly with phone screens and cameras, offering real-time information and assistance. Gemini can analyze on-screen content, provide contextual suggestions, and even enhance camera functionality by identifying objects and reading text aloud. The AI model aims to compete with Apple's Siri and Samsung's Bixby, but with deeper integration across Google's ecosystem. Experts believe Gemini could redefine smartphone usability, making daily tasks more efficient through AI-powered automation. While privacy concerns remain a topic of discussion, Google assures users that data security will be a priority. The new AI features are expected to roll out gradually across Android devices, offering users a more interactive and intuitive smartphone experience. With AI becoming increasingly embedded in everyday tech, Gemini marks a significant step towards a smarter digital future. Now, Apple is set to enhance the audio experience for AirPods Max users by introducing lossless audio support in an upcoming update. The feature, long requested by audiophiles, will enable users to enjoy higher quality music streamlining, particularly via Apple Music. Currently, AirPods Max relies on Bluetooth compression, which limits audio fidelity. The new update is expected to leverage a wired connection or a more advanced codec to deliver true lossless sound. Experts believe that this move will make AirPods Max a stronger competitor to high-end wired headphones in the market. Apple has not yet confirmed a release date for the update, but sources suggest it will arrive alongside the next iOS update. The development aligns with Apple's broader strategy to improve its audio ecosystem, which also includes spatial audio enhancements and integration with the Vision Pro headset. As demand for premium audio quality grows, Apple's latest upgrade is expected to attract music enthusiasts worldwide. Dell Technologies has witnessed a significant workforce reduction. With its employee count dropping by 10% in fiscal year 2025, the decline is attributed to restructuring efforts and cost-cutting measures as the company adapts to evolving market conditions. Dell has faced challenges due to declining PC sales and increased competition in the cloud computing sector. To remain competitive, the company is shifting focus towards AI-powered infrastructure and enterprise solutions. While job cuts have impacted multiple departments, Dell insists that the changes are necessary for long-term growth. Analysts predict that the restructuring could help Dell strengthen its position in emerging tech markets. The company has also emphasized investment in automation and AI-driven services to enhance operational efficiency. Although layoffs have raised concerns about employees, Dell's leadership maintains the adjustments will ultimately lead to more sustainable and innovation-driven business model in the coming years. Now we have Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI. Chairman Anil Kumar Lahoti has stressed the urgent need for India to expand its subsea cable infrastructure to meet the growing digital demand. Speaking at a tech summit, Lahoti emphasized that India's data consumption is increasingly exponential, requiring robust connectivity solutions. Currently, India relies on heavily few international cables for internet traffic, making it vulnerable to disruptions. Strengthening subsea cable infrastructure would enhance data security, reduce latency, and improve overall internet speed. Lahoti highlighted the importance of public-private partnerships and government support to accelerate investments in this sector. Global players are keen to tap into India's digital expansion, with companies like Google and Amazon exploring partnerships. The move aligns with India's goal of becoming a digital global hub. As data-driven industries continue to grow, experts believe enhanced connectivity through subsea cables will be crucial for sustaining economic and technological progress. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.